Today we're going to talk about installing FooManShoes on a 270 that does not have existing feet bracket. To this you will need a 7/8 inch spacer which comes with the kit. We'll have 2 feet brackets or shoe brackets, and the various hardware to install it. Additionally, you will need a clamp of some sort and a drill with both 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch drill bits. To start, we place the 7/8 inch bracket inside the foot, up against the front edge and side edge of the foot, while the smoker is sitting on a flat surface. Next, place the new shoe bracket on top of that, ensuring that it is touching both the front and side of the smoker. To make sure that this bracket does not move, recommend clamping this bracket from the face to hold it in place in the corner. Next, simply drill a hole, and we recommend 2 inches up and 1 inch over through both the existing leg and the new bracket. If you start out with an 1/8 inch and then progress to a 1/4 inch, you'll find your drilling is much easier. Once your hole is drilled through both pieces, remove the bracket and the spacer. At this point, this bracket will have a hole roughly right there. Utilizing the longer of your bolts, a 1 1/4 inch washer, and a lock nut, install the foot onto the bracket. This takes a little tightening. This is a lock nut, so it'll be hard to twist, but if you go slowly, it will tighten just fine. Once this is installed, replace the whole assembly inside, and you'll notice at this point the holes will not line up. The inside bracket will be about 1/8 inch taller. So you'll need to gently lift the front of the smoker, and then using the smaller bolts we will send, the 1 inch 1/4 20s, go through both the foot and the bracket and bolt them together. When you're finished, your shoe and bracket will be bolted to the smoker, having raised the front of the smoker by 1/8 of an inch.